Hi, welcome to mentorbuddy.com. My name is Mahika Motwani, and in this tutorial we are going to start with string handling in Java. In Java, string is an object that represents a sequence of characters, and we use java.lang.string class to create string objects. String class provides a number of methods to perform operations on string such as concat, equals, length, etc. In Java, string objects are immutable, that is, once created, they cannot be changed. Whenever we apply any operation on string object, for that, as a result, a new string object will be created, but original object is never changed. In Java, there are two ways to create a string object. One is by using literal mechanism, and second by using new keyword. We will see an example for both types of object creation. For now, string in Java is not a primitive data type. It is a class for which we can create the objects, and this class is given in lang package, which is imported implicitly in every Java file, so we need not to import string class explicitly. And there are number of inbuilt functions which we can use to apply different operations on string objects. Now let us see these two ways for creating string object. The first way by which we can create string objects is using literal mechanism. That is, here string is created by using double quotes and it is stored in special memory area called string constant pool or SCP, and it leads to efficient use of memory. Example for such an object creation is like when we give string str equals welcome in double quotes. Here we are not making use of new keyword, so this is called creation of string using literal mechanism. So let us take an example for this literal mechanism. Now this is how memory allocation will take place when we create a string using this mechanism. Now whenever we use this literal mechanism and we try to create a string object, JVM will first perform a search in SCP. SCP is a special memory area within the heap memory. So all the string objects created using literal mechanism are stored in this SCP. So now when we will create this string object, JVM is going to first perform a search in SCP for welcome object. If welcome is not there, then a welcome object will be created and this str1 will refer to this welcome. So whenever we will create a string object using literal mechanism, first search will take place in SCP. If object is not there, then only it will be created. And SCP does not contain duplicate objects. Only unique elements are stored in SCP. Now let's suppose if we create one more string object with the same content welcome. Now how memory allocation will take place for this? Of course, reference variable will be created in stack and thereafter a search will take place in SCP for welcome. Since welcome is already there, no new object will be created. Just this str2 will refer to the same object to which str1 was referring. That's why it is known as to be a more memory efficient way when we use literal mechanism for storing strings. So here first search takes place. If string object is not there, then only it is created. Otherwise just a reference is created, object is not created. Now let us see the another way of creating string, and that is by using new keyword. When we use new keyword to create string, a new object is always created in non-pool area. And the example for that is here we make use of new keyword. So we give the string class name, reference variable, equals operator, followed by new operator, followed by class name, and here we can give the value of the string object. So whenever we will use new keyword, at least one object will be created for sure, and that will be in non-pool area. Now let us see the memory allocation for the string object created using new keyword. Now suppose if we create this str1 using new keyword, in this case it is going to create two objects and one reference variable. Now let us see why two objects will be created. Now when we create an string object using new keyword, in that case one object will be created for sure in non-pool area. So welcome will be created in non-pool area, and this str1 will refer to the object in this non-pool area. And thereafter search takes place in SCP, where again it will try to find out welcome, and if welcome is not there, then one copy will be created in SCP as well. So initially when we will start and SCP is empty, in that case if we create a string using new keyword, in that case two copies of this welcome will be created, one in non-pool area and one in string constant pool area, and this reference variable will refer to the object in non-pool area. Now second time, suppose if we again create this string object with the same content welcome using new operator, now in that case only one object will be created in this non-pool area, and this str2 will refer to that object, because in that case when search will take place in SCP, welcome would be already there. So here we have seen two different ways of string creation. One using literal mechanism, where first search takes place in SCP. If object is not there, then it is created and stored in SCP. But if object is already there, then sorry, no new object is created. Whereas in case of new keyword, at least one object is created in non-pool area for sure, and then search takes place in SCP to check whether the object is already there or not. Thank you for watching this tutorial.